In this video, I'll be demonstrating a stretch to the levator scapulae muscle, which is a muscle that resides on the posterolateral neck. You would obviously stretch this muscle if it's tight and there's possible posterior neck pain. Tight levator scapulae is associated with upper cross syndrome, chronically poor posture, stress and anxiety, and in individuals with chronic pain. To stretch the levator scapulae muscle, the patient will be seated with their stretched side hand behind their back, as you see right here. Alternatively, the patient can also sit on their hand with the palm facing up. Either of these maneuvers helps to depress the scapula and provide a further stretch to the levator scapulae muscle. From this position, the patient will undergo 45 degrees of contralateral cervical side bending, plus cervical flexion, plus manual overpressure. Let's take a look at that. So here's 45 degrees of contralateral side bending, cervical flexion, plus manual overpressure. And you will feel the levator scapulae stretch here on the posterolateral neck, really in the same vicinity as the upper trap. And you should hold this stretch between 30 and 60 seconds per side. Now, unfortunately, when stretching the levator scapulae, there is no way to completely isolate a stretch of the levator scapulae. So you're going to inadvertently target other posterior neck muscles, including the upper trapezius and the posterior scalene. However, that's okay because usually when there's a tight levator scapulae, there's also other tight muscles in the vicinity. So you'll target all of them at once. Again here, stretch side upper extremity behind the back to depress the scapula. 45 degrees of contralateral side bending, cervical flexion, and manual overpressure. Thank you for all your support. Be sure to check out my Instagram for cool science and not science stuff.